Hi, this is Alex from devstories.eu, Zipline Backtesting Engine, Episode 3 of 7. Your trading logic might be completely flawless, but if you load massive CSV files into memory every single time you run a simulation, your iteration speed will grind to a halt. The bottleneck is rarely your algorithm, it is your data pipeline. Zipline solves this problem using market data bundles and custom ingestion. A data bundle is a collection of asset pricing and metadata that has been pre-compiled into a highly optimized storage format. Instead of parsing raw text files during a run, Zipline reads from compressed binary storage and a fast local database. This separation of data processing from strategy execution makes backtests exceptionally fast. You trigger this compilation from the command line using the Zipline ingest command, followed by the bundle name. Zipline ships with a default bundle called Quandle, which pulls standard historical daily equities data from the internet and writes it directly to your local disk. Most professional environments rely on proprietary data. To use your own data, you must build a custom bundle. Creating a custom bundle requires writing an ingest function. This function acts as a dedicated translator between your raw data source and Zipline's internal storage format. Here is the key insight. The ingest function does not return a customized dataset. Instead, Zipline passes multiple writer objects into your function, and your code feeds raw data into those writers. The ingest function signature requires specific parameters to handle this routing. It takes an environment configuration, the trading calendar, the start and end sessions, and the writer objects. The two critical objects you'll interact with are the asset database writer and the daily bar writer. The asset database writer handles your metadata. You pass it a structured table containing your symbols, their start and end dates, and their exchange names. It compiles this into a local database so the engine knows exactly which assets exist on any given trading session. The daily bar writer processes the actual price action. You provide it an iterator that yields blocks of pricing data. Each block contains an internal asset identifier paired with a table of its open, high, low, close, and volume data. The writer takes these blocks and compresses them onto the disk. Zipline provides a built-in mechanism to handle standard flat files using the CSV directory bundle, commonly called CSV dir. You set up your proprietary data by saving individual CSV files into a single folder, naming each file after its ticker symbol. You then register this directory in a specific Zipline configuration script called the extension file. Registration simply links your custom bundle to the underlying ingest function so the command line tool knows it exists. When you run Zipline ingest with your new custom name, the system points the ingest function at your folder. It loops through the CSV files, extracts the metadata, feeds the asset database writer, and pumps the historical pricing rows into the daily bar writer. The slow, expensive text parsing happens exactly once. After ingestion, your proprietary data is permanently stored in the optimized format, instantly accessible for thousands of high-speed backtests. The true power of custom ingestion is that it strictly decouples your data preparation from your strategy execution, ensuring that slow parsing logic never pollutes your testing environment. That is your lot with this one. Catch you next time.